everybody! Happy April Fool's Day! For all who do know me, know I'm the prankster and try to be the queen of April Fools, of course. But today I did promise everybody with one person that I wouldn't mess with them, and aka Sicilian Kiss is on the hit list. So, lately what she's been doing is trying Southern food. So I figure, what better April Fool's joke to do than what I'm fixing to show you. So I'm going to check back in with you guys in a little while and basically show you what is the outcome of this April Fool joke. For all you guys who said you were pregnant on Facebook, good one, but let's get Sicilian Kiss on this one right here. Okay? Now, she likes to do Rachel Ray, so let me go ahead and switch into character. Okay, today what we're going to make is a buttery home-style mashed potatoes. Yes, and there they are. Don't they look luscious, luscious? Let's mix those up now. And what we're going to add to this wonderful mix is what we call the best Southern Beneful beef stew for dogs in the whole wide world. So this is what we're going to add. So here's how you do it. If you want the perfect April Fool's joke on a northerner from a southerner, you simply just mix the mix up, and then you just add the dog food in. Yes, there it is, all lovely. Look, has all the vegetables and everything. Alright, and then you just mix it in, and when she comes home, you heat it up, serve it on a plate, and watch the reaction. I'm pretty sure I'm probably going to get knocked the hell out. Anyways, check back in and I hope you enjoy it. This is how you do April Fools. Quizzy. No. Oh. Did he lick it? No. Starbucks, no. Hurry up. I don't want. We gotta do it before I eat it. No. Okay, that's all you get. Get down.
It's his birthday. Okay.
April Fool!
What is it?
Dog food.
Uh-oh.
Say it to the camera.
Is it really dog food? No, it's not.
Say it to the camera. April!
Give me pause. Ew! That's disgusting! Really?
Yeah.
Why did I have to eat it? I ate
It's April Fool's. What are we fixing to do?
Surprise Eddie.
For what?
His birthday.
Okay, you ready? Students, open the door. Okay, what's really going on is April Fool's, and this is the second time I'm getting her, and I told her it was Eddie's birthday, and it's not. His birthday is sometime at the later part of the year. So what I've got her doing is, as soon as I open the door, she's supposed to yell, "Surprise!" I'm going, "For me!" So here we go. Yeah, I know. Alright, I just need you to fix the disposal. Surprise! For me! April Fools!
What?
April Fools?
Again?
His birthday's in November, September.
What the?
Got it twice? What do you got to say? Besides F you.
No, his birthday's today.
No, it's not. Stop!
Damn it! I thought you said it was today.
It's April Fool's.
His birthday's not on April Fool's.
His birthday's like September.
You didn't tell me that.
He just played along. April Fool's.
To all who are watching, I've been April Fool's twice.
Tell Eddie happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Eddie. In
In
September.
November.
November.
One or two of them.
Wow.
May.
At least I
Something.
get a cake.
Yeah. I'll have to ask him when his birthday. You like the cake?
I do.
That's how you do April Fools. Not I'm pregnant.
Yeah.